how to teach you how to create an AI video. Now, what I'm going to be talking about is AI free video creation app for faceless YouTube. Remember in our first video, I taught you on how to create a faceless channel. Now we want to look at how you can create the AI video for free. You don't need subscription. Probably you don't want to go through this stress. I also have another alternative for you. How to download other people's video and upload on your YouTube channel. All you just need to do is to edit the video and you're good to go. What are you good to go? Let me tell you something. Making money on YouTube is sweet and easy. Don't stress yourself. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help. Let me quickly explain to you how you can actually use Invideo AI to create a video, a faceless video. So one thing you need to do is that you need to understand that Invideo AI is used to convert text prompts or scripts into full videos with visual, voiceover, subtitles, and music. You can actually use this app to create series of movie or probably motivational speech. Probably you want to create new movies or anyone. You can actually use this to create a video. And once you're done creating the video, at the end of the month, you cash out. So now let me teach you how to actually sign up for this app. What you need to do is to go on Google. If you don't want to actually download it on Play Store, go on Google, then type Invideo AI. Once you've got into Google, type Invideo AI. If you're not doing that, I hope you're doing that now. Then the next thing you need to do is to sign up. Once you click on the app, sign up. Then all you need to sign up is just your name and email. Once you're done doing that, now move to the place of whereby you have to write scripts. How you want your video to be produced, how you want it to be, all the necessary things, the voiceover, the music, and all that. So type there what you want to do or the kind of video you want to create. After you're done doing that, I also want you to learn to know that it's also used to generate scenes, transitions, and stock media. You're going to see a lot of stock medias. Probably you need something like, let me do what baby or animation. You can actually use Invideo AI to create all these things. Now, it offers a library of templates for social media and tutorial apps. So, let me quickly move to the next one before I actually, take you down to, if you don't want to go through all this stress, take you down to the last video. You're going to find out that you can't even find my English there. I actually didn't go record any video. I copied other people's videos. And if you look at this video, I'm having about 4,000 views, 1,000 views, 1.1 views. And I was surprised that how was I able to achieve all this without my own video, like without me showing on the camera or buying an expensive gadget to shoot just that particular video. Now, this is what I did. I actually downloaded a video downloader on Play Store. Later, I was done downloading it. What I needed to do is to watch a video, and once I am able to get the satisfaction I needed in the video, having this video is actually interesting and it's going to bless my audience. What I just need to do is just to copy the link of the video and paste it on Video Downloader. Video Downloader will automatically download it for you. And once it downloads it for you, what you just need is slight editing with haircuts or make use of InShots. And once you're done downloading, God, go and paste it on your YouTube and make your money. It's very easy, it's very simple. So to make money on YouTube is very, very easy. So my audience, if you're not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please, I want you to subscribe and also like this video and share this video to your friends. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your video, how to create a catching thumbnail, and how to write a catching title and description. So please don't forget, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's important. Please, I'm begging you, so that YouTube will be able to recommend our videos to other people. People recommend our videos to other people so that people can learn how to cash out like you. So I'm going to monitor your growth. Once we start that class, I'm going to monitor your growth. I would like to hear from you. That will enable me to be able to create another video that will help you. So please don't forget to always use the comment button. As you're subscribing, you're sharing, comment.